Today I would like to introduce you my new collaboration design with the Olight brand. It's called the AION. It's the liner lock knife, inspired by one of the best selling and most popular Olight flashlights called the Arkfeld. AION name comes from the ancient Greek word and means circle, a perpetual period of time. It's often represented by a circle, which is also present in Olight logo brand and the Olight logo brand. AION stands for the Arkfeld inspired Olight novel. That's why I choose this modern short name to create even more matching set for you. I decided to create the first concept based on its modern shapes and minimalistic look, which match pretty well with my designing style, based on simple geometry, lines and angled surfaces. So I started with a rough sketch by hand, which basically covers the main final shape of the AION knife.